Welcome to one kanji a day. Today, a special one. In Japan, there is a little shop on every corner that will save your trip. Open all night, cheap, and stocked with everything. The only catch, the signs are all kanji.
The convenience store. I have been living off rice balls, but I am mostly just guessing at the labels.
By the end of this, you will read the price, the discounts, and the register questions like a local. 10 characters. Let us walk in.
First thing on the door, this character, next to the hours.
That is mise, or 10 in compounds. It means shop, store. A konbini is a convenience store, and this character marks every shop in the country. You will see it after brand names too.
So, any sign ending in this character is telling me what kind of shop it is.
Exactly. Spot it, and you know you are looking at a store, not an office or a home.
Okay, I picked up a drink. The price tag has 2 numbers, and this character keeps showing up.
That is zei, tax. Japanese tags often show 2 prices. Zeikomi means tax included, the number you actually pay. Zeinuki means before tax. Always pay the tax included one.
That explains why the total never matched the big number. I was reading the before tax price.
Read the tax included figure, and there are no surprises at the register.
Some tags have a bright sticker with this character and a number.
Good eye. That is wari, and it means 10% off per unit. Sanwari is 30% off. Waribiki just means discount. When you see this character, the price already dropped.
So the number in front of it tells me how many tens of percent came off.
Right. 2 of this character, 20%. 3, 30. Easy money saved.
And late in the evening, I keep seeing this one slapped on the lunch boxes.
That is the magic one. Han means half, and hangaku means half price. Konbini discount fresh food as it nears the sell-by time, often in the evening. This sticker is your dinner at half the cost.
So, if I shop after about 8 at night, I hunt for this character.
You do. Locals know this trick well. Find the half-price sticker and eat like a king for pocket change.
Now the food itself. Near the register, there is a case marked with this character.
That is on, or atatakai, warm. It marks the hot food, the fried chicken, the steamed buns, the oden in winter. The staff may ask, "Atatamemasu ka? Shall I heat this up?"
So, if they ask that at the register, they are offering to warm my food.
Yes, just say hi, yes, or daijobu. I am fine. Either way, now you know what they are asking.
And the opposite, the fridge has this character.
That is rei, cold. Reizo means refrigerated, the cold drinks and the chilled meals. If you want your bento cold or your drink icy, this is the case you want.
Warm case, cold case. 2 characters and I know which food is which temperature. Over on the shelves, this character is on a lot of the labels.
That is hin, or shina, goods, product. Shokuhin is food products. Shohin means merchandise. When a shelf tag has this character, it is talking about the item itself.
So it is basically the word for the thing I am buying.
Exactly, and it teams up with our next character in a phrase you really want to know.
Which one?
This is buy, or uru, to sell. Urikire means sold out. Hatsubai means now on sale, a new release. See this character with the one before it, shinagire or urikire, and that item is gone.
So sold out is written right on the shelf. No standing there confused.
Right. Read it, move on, grab something else. No waiting for stock that is not coming.
Last stretch, the register. The sign here says this character with money.
That is gen. and genkin means cash. Some small registers or machines are cash only. This character warns you before you reach for a card that will not work.
So if I see this one, I make sure I have coins and notes ready.
Exactly. Have your cash in hand and use the little tray on the counter rather than passing it hand to hand.
And the very last question they always ask, pointing at this character.
That is fukuro, bag. Since 2020, plastic bags cost a few yen. Fukuro wa irimasu ka means, do you need a bag? Say ie, no, if you brought your own, or hai, to buy one.
So that final question at the counter is just, do you want a bag?
That is it. And now you can answer it. Store, tax, discount, half price, warm, cold, product, sold out, cash, bag. You can shop any Konbini in Japan.
Honestly, I could do a full grocery run at a 7-Eleven tomorrow.
That is the whole idea. One kanji a day, and the corner store stops being a guessing game. See you tomorrow.